Hey there, fellow freelancers and Upwork enthusiasts. Today we are diving headfirst into the world of success on Upwork. But hold on to your pixels because this isn't just another boring tutorial. Nope, we want to drop some knowledge bombs on how to create an Upwork profile photo that's so eye-catching you practically have clients lining up at your digital doorstep. So grab your virtual camera because it's time to snapshot success. Lesson 1. Say cheese like a pro. You know what they say, a picture is worth $1,000. Well, maybe they don't say that, but they should. The first trick to turning heads on Upwork is nailing that profile photo. We're talking about dressing the part, folks. Show off your professional persona, whether you're a coder in a crisp shirt or a designer with serious style. Remember, you're not just freelancing. You're proud to be and represent yourself. Lesson 2, let there be light. Proper lighting can make or break your digital debut. No one wants to work with a freelancer who's lurking in the shadows, right? So find that sweet spot of natural light and let your face shine like a digital superstar that you are. If Mother Nature isn't cooperating, then invest in some decent lighting gear. Everyone loves a sunny disposition, and your client will too. Lesson 3, it's all about you. Okay, folks, time to work those facial muscles. Flash those pearly whites and let the natural charm flow. Your profile photo is like a digital handshake, and a friendly smile goes a long way in building trust. And remember, your eyes are the window to the soul, so make sure your gaze is locked into the camera, showing clients you're ready to connect and conquer. In lesson 4, banish the background noise. A cluttered background can be a real buzzkill. You want your client's focus on you and not your overflowing laundry hamper or quirky wall art. Go for the clean, neutral background or add a little blur to keep the attention where it belongs, on you, the awesome self. In lesson 5, pixel perfect. Hey, we're living in high-def world, and your profile photos should too. Invest in a good camera or find a photographer friend who owes you a favor. A pixelated, grainy photo just won't cut it when you're competing for those dream gigs. Lesson 4, branding across the board. Last but not least, keep it consistent. Your Upwork profile photo should be like your digital ID card. If you're using the same photo on other professional platforms like LinkedIn, you're not just building a profile, you're building a personal brand are unforgettable. All right, freelancers, that's it for a wrap. Creating an eye-catching Upwork profile photo isn't rocket science. It's about showing your professional side with a touch of your unique personality. Remember these tips and you will have clients clicking that hire me button faster than you can say Upwork success. So go put on your best face forward and let's make digital magic happen. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, be freelantastic.